Planning is key. Building a home is exciting, but you need a plan. This plan is like a roadmap. It shows you the steps to build your dream. First, think about what you want. How many rooms? Do you want a big yard? Write down all your ideas. Next, find land for your home. Make sure it's the right size and location. Get help from experts like real estate agents. Before you build, you need permits. Permits are like permission slips from the city. They make sure your home is safe and follows the rules. With permits ready, it's time to prepare the site. This means clearing trees, leveling the ground, and making sure it's ready for building. The foundation is the base for your home. It needs to be strong. Concrete is usually used for foundations. It's poured into a mold that forms the shape of your home's base. Now the fun part starts. Framing is like building a giant puzzle. Wooden beams are used to create the walls, floors, and roof of your home. It's important to make sure the frame is straight and strong. This will make your home safe and long-lasting. A home needs more than walls and a roof. It needs systems that make it livable. This means adding electrical wiring, plumbing pipes, and HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These systems are usually installed within the walls and floors. It's important to hire qualified professionals for these jobs. Section 5. Inside Out. Insulation, drywall, and interior finishes. With the systems in place, it's time to insulate the walls and add drywall. Insulation keeps your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Drywall creates smooth walls for painting. Now you can start on the interior finishes. This includes things like painting, installing flooring, and adding cabinets. Section 6. Picking your team, materials, and contractor selection. Choosing the right materials and contractors is crucial. For materials, think about durability, sustainability, and your budget. For contractors, look for experience, reliability, and good communication skills. Don't be afraid to ask for references and check their work history. Remember, you're trusting them with your dream home. Section 7. Money matters. Budgeting for your dream home. Building a home requires a budget. The cost can vary greatly depending on the size, location, and materials used. Plan your budget carefully, and include a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Talk to your bank about financing options and be realistic about what you can afford. Section 8. The final touches, from flooring to fixtures. As construction nears completion, it's time for the finishing touches. This includes installing flooring, countertops, light fixtures, and appliances. These details can truly personalize your space. Section 9. Welcome home. Moving in and enjoying the dream. Congratulations. Your dream home is complete. Hire movers or enlist friends and family to help you settle in. Now relax and enjoy the beautiful space you've created.